This is how to make American French toast. This recipe normally gets me about 5 to 6 pieces of French toast. First, crack 2 eggs, and before we add the other ingredients, we'll whisk the eggs together. Add 1/4 a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, 1/4 a teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and a few drops of vanilla extract. Now mix everything really well. Get a pan and set your burner to medium heat. I set mine to a heat level of 5 out of 10. Add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil and half a tablespoon of butter. We'll give those two a minute to get hot before we add our French toast. Go ahead and pour your egg mix in a plate with raised edges. That way it's easier to dip the bread into. Since my butter is hot and beginning to brown, I'll start cooking. You'll notice my bread is brown. That's because I'm using whole grain bread, but you can use whatever you want. Quickly dip both sides of the bread in your egg mixture. You can let some of the excess egg drip off for a couple of seconds, but I normally like a little bit of it on there. Put it in the pan, and I normally let mine cook on this first side for about 1.5 minutes, maybe 2 minutes. Don't push the bread around, just let it cook. If you're not comfortable just yet with how long it'll take, you can lift the edge of the bread to check and make sure it's not burning. Then, once it's cooked to your desired doneness, turn it over and let the other side cook. And I normally leave it on this side for about 1.5 minutes. Again, you can lift the corner of the bread to check and make sure it's not being overcooked. Once it reaches your desired doneness, you can remove it and start the next one. Add just a little bit more butter and oil between each slice. So remember, what I do is medium heat, 1.5 minutes or so on the first side, then about 1.5 minutes on the other side. It's very easy, and always remember, a great topping for French toast is syrup. Please consider giving the video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.